Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show how you can set call waiting in Oppo smartphone. So firstly you will need to launch the default phone dialer app, then open settings. From here go for the call-in accounts, then carrier related settings. In here go for the additional settings. Then select the SIM card you would like to enable or disable the call waiting for. And at the following page, you can turn this toggle on in order to set or activate the call waiting feature. Thus make it green, blue, depending on the system theme you have, or disable it by turning this toggle off and graying it out. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.